Introduction. The bikini, a quintessential piece of swimwear, has made waves in fashion since its daring debut in the mid-20th century. From its controversial beginnings to its current status as a symbol of empowerment, the bikini has become a timeless icon, synonymous with sun-soaked beaches and carefree summer days. Origins and evolution. In 1946, French engineer Louis Reard introduced the modern bikini, defying convention with its two-piece design. Named after the Bikini Atoll in the Pacific, the bikini marked a departure from modest swimwear. Initially met with skepticism, it soon became a symbol of liberation and empowerment, reflecting societal shifts in attitudes towards women's clothing. Cinematic influence. The 1960s saw the bikini's rise to stardom, propelled by iconic cinematic moments featuring stars like Ursula Andress and Brigitte Bardot. Hollywood embraced the bikini, elevating it from swimwear to a glamorous fashion statement. These cultural influences contributed to the bikini's acceptance and widespread popularity. Fashion statements. Over the years, the bikini has undergone various transformations, adapting to changing fashion trends. From string bikinis to high-waisted styles, designers continuously reinvent this iconic swimwear to suit diverse tastes. The bikini has evolved into a canvas for creativity, allowing wearers to express their individual style. Body positivity and inclusivity. In recent times, the fashion industry has championed body positivity and inclusivity, challenging traditional beauty norms. Bikini campaigns featuring models of different shapes and sizes promote diversity and celebrate the natural beauty of individuals. Social media has played a pivotal role in fostering a culture of acceptance and positivity. Empowerment and confidence. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the bikini fosters body confidence and self-empowerment. Encouraging individuals to embrace their bodies and celebrate uniqueness, the bikini has become a symbol of liberation. Social media platforms provide a space for people to proudly showcase their bikini-clad selves, promoting a culture of acceptance. Conclusion. The journey of the bikini from controversy to cultural icon reflects its enduring impact on fashion and societal attitudes. As a symbol of freedom and self-expression, the bikini transcends its role as swimwear to celebrate the diversity and beauty of the human form. Whether gracing the beach or the pages of fashion magazines, the bikini continues to make a stylish splash, embodying the spirit of carefree summer days.